Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison and today we're going to be doing the second part of my 7 Deadly Sins series. We're doing greed. And the concept behind this one is you can't really see anything but diamonds, jewels, riches, greed. So that's why the eyes are covered and then there's jewels in front of it symbolizing the money lust that you have. So I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned if you'd like to see how I achieved it. Greed is the second part of my 7 Deadly Sins series. Greed is defined as an intense or selfish desire for something, especially wealth, power, or even food that another possesses. So, for my look, I wanted to show the blindingness that greed can have. So, I start off filling in my eyebrows and then going in with a concealer just to sharpen it up. Now taking a concealer to cover up some of my dark circles that I have. Now taking a soft brown and putting it in my crease in a window wiping motion. Now going in with a very dark shade and I'm focusing it on the inner and outer corners of the eyes and then blending that out. Taking a soft gold shade and applying it to the center of the lid. Now taking a true gold shimmer and I'm applying that on the lid and then bringing that color down to the lower lash line. Now I'm taking mascara and just coating my lashes. Taking this piece of mesh that I tied on gems to, I'm going to use latex and I'm applying that to the face. If you have a latex allergy, I suggest using spirit gum. And when you're applying that latex, try to avoid any hair like your eyebrows or your hairline. Allowing the latex to get a little tacky, I'm applying that piece to my face. And to secure it, I'm applying more latex on the edge. After the latex fully dries, I'm applying a pressed powder to it. Now taking 3rd degree silicone, I'm going to mix part A and part B together and I'm applying that to the face as if the skin peeled away. And remember to never cross-contaminate your bottles. Always use a clean spatula or wipe it off thoroughly. I always suggest using smaller batches so the silicone doesn't dry out on you. Now I'm applying foundation. And setting that with powder. Now I'm taking my alcohol activated palette and I'm applying a rosy tone with a stipple brush to the skin area that I just created. Now I'm taking a blood tone and I'm going into where the mesh meets the silicone, just so it looks like it's more irritated at that point. I do go back in with my foundation just to lighten it up and add some variation to the look. Now I'm taking some craft store gems and some eyelash glue, and I'm applying them more concentrated in the center of my face, and then windling out to the eye area. And now I'm contouring just like normal. I'm adding this purple lipstick, and I'm adding a very rounded cupid's bow as well. I'm taking that gold eyeshadow from before and I'm applying it to the center of the lip. Now I'm applying a wig and a few accessories as well as a costume change, and then you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me. All my other social media links will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!